All right, traders, this is a quick video on a trade idea. So I have in front of you a headline that came out today, which I think was a bit unexpected. This was Bitcoin ETFs loom as derivatives pay the way for big investors. So there was an announcement pre-market, right around the open, that the CME group, so ticker symbol CME, which is the world's largest exchange, said that they're going to be listing futures on Bitcoin. So this is huge. This is going to give access to people. Give access to people, give access to trade Bitcoin via futures rather than opening up a Coinbase account, which I think is keeping some investors out. That's my own kind of spin on it. But you could see what happened today in the Bitcoin Trust, which I bought right on the open today because I thought this was going to be impactful. Now, full disclosure, I have a Coinbase account open, but I haven't bought any Bitcoin in it or any other cryptocurrencies. So I have yet to kind of start that process. I went and bought GBTC today, which I don't think is the right. First of all, there's no options on GBTC, and it trades at a massive premium to Bitcoin. However, if something's going to go up 13%, which it did today, I'm happy to profit in it. So you start to think about what are other names that are going to benefit from this. I think it could only be a plus for the CME group, right? If they're the ones who are getting revenue from listing futures contract, I would imagine it could only be a positive for CME. I don't know what the revenue is or what the projections are going to be for them listing these contracts on Bitcoin, but I would imagine it can only be a positive thing. So the stock has already done very well. It's kind of at these, it's very close to 52-week highs. It's been in a nice uptrend. It's not exactly a dip that it's in, but I'm going to structure, and I've actually structured a trade already on this. And what I've done is, by the way, we have seen some CME calls today. Just about a half hour ago. So these were November calls. I don't really want the November calls. It's a little bit too short-term nature for me. They reported last week, so you don't have to report, or you don't have to worry about them reporting. They're not going to report till February 1st. So you could do a couple different things here. You could go out to January. You could also go out to March. I decided to go out to March. I don't have a problem with that. A little bit of a longer term trade. And what I did was a call spread here. So I looked at the 140, 150 call spread. So again, buying the 140 calls, selling the 150 calls. So that's a 140, 150 call spread, $10 wide call spread. And I got into that trade for 250. So about, I'm looking, for this thing to break out and get above 140. I would need basically by March expiration for this to break even, I would need the stock to be at least at 142.5 for that to work. So of course there's going to be time value and so forth. I don't plan on holding this all the way to March, but just in case, I want to always put out the structure of the trade by March expiration. Break-even price will be 142.5 of the stock. Again, I probably look to own the stock. I think they said in the article that this is going to be relatively soon. So that's also why I want to go out a little bit further than January, just in case there's a delay with it. You never know. But it says that they're looking to introduce Bitcoin futures by the end of the year. So this is pretty sudden, right? So they should already be taking in money by the beginning of the year. Unless on any unforeseen events that are going on. So that's my trade. I'm already in it. Again, it's the March 140, 150 call spread, and I got into that trade for 250. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great day.